Barefoot, you have shoes on.
This building is obviously on fire. I can see the flames everywhere. Fire truck, police car, other police car, other fire truck. There's Taylor's head. There's Spencer. You can't even see it very well. Like it's all black. I'm not black, I'm white. Ooh. Hey Mom. That's Spencer. Hey Mom. In case you don't survive, I love you, Mom.
How's she gonna get that?
What?
And how's she gonna get that?
It doesn't matter. There's the burning building. Left my bassoon inside. Oops. So I'm going back and getting it. I actually do have insurance, I think.
So do I.
What if mine's up to 10 grand and like the whole like floor was on fire? He's like,
I would.
me going so go filming it.
If I could sneak away from this thing, I'd go. Look at all these people in panic. They're all screaming on the inside. Especially that one. Let's see it. There's Riley. He's really scared. Yeah, I'm afraid that he's gay.
Spencer's the one who tried to rape me in my underpants.
Hey.
I had my pants off.
Hey, you're the one that wanted it.
No, he did not rape you. He just scared the shit out of you.
Yeah, and then he pushed me on the bed in a weird position while I was in my underwear.
It's called wrestling.
And you loved every second of it.
No, I was like, what the fuck? He made me tap out.
This is on video.
There.
Right, this is on video.
I know. I got rude.
That little blackness right there is Taylor
I really hope that no one pulled that fire alarm. Like, as a joke. Oh well. Stay up later!
This is how we get our
This is not how I wanted to spend my first night of band camp. I wanted to be in my bed.
Sleep. There's Alex.
I know what you do in your bed.
He is very scared.
I was up there, and that fire
I was up there too, and I was ready to jump. But this guy came and he says, "Don't jump. We can get down the stairs."
Yeah, his name was
And
Mr. Campbell or
he
something.
just like saved my life. Good thing there was a screen over the window.
I'll kill you.
Would have totally stopped me. What about the fire?
Yay, they're gonna leave us to burn.
What if we walk up there and like the building just like blows up?
That'd be weird. It's like, okay, it's all safe.
Or like you see an explosion on one of the floors, like all the windows shoot out.
Like, oh damn.
What'd you say to me, motherfucker? This is fun. There's Zach whistling and yelling. I'll kill you. There you go. There's your iPod back. Woohoo! You're gonna save that forever, right?
3 minutes.
It's the longest video ever, isn't it?
No, it's not. This is like those people are going back in. Hope they're okay. I'm scared for them.
They're the real heroes.
They're the real heroes.
The counselor, yeah.
Take that fire. We're gonna go see if it's safe.
Counselor kicked her butt.
I could zoom somehow. Unzoom. I have to take them. No, there's a building that's not burning.
No.
If you, yeah, I know. But it sucks. Those guys are sneaking back. I will join them. I'm gonna add a light to my phone. No, look, I can see everything now.
Oh my! Wait. Also take a video?
Yes. Good thing I added this light attachment.
I see that.
Just wait, you have not seen light yet.
Don't. One of them's a laser pointer.
It's Zach. You have anything to say?
Are you afraid? Did you leave your instrument up there?
I did. And then I left my phone in there, but my phone is a piece of crap, so it shall burn and shake.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that laser? I took it from him. I'm gonna keep it.
Why are you gonna keep it? It's his.
It's mine!
I'm gonna kill you for it.
Kill you back for it.
A laser to incinerate your enemies with.
We go back in yet? Seriously?
So that kid's gonna go back in. Hey. This random person. One police car is still here. Apparently we told them it was not a fire. I doubt it. It's obviously a fire. Wait, where's Mukund? Mukund, where are you? I need to find you. I don't know where Mukund is. He's not on my floor. I can't find him. Mukund. Hey Hans, where's Mukund?
Everybody just got kicked.
It's like you guys all broke curfew.
Something to do with my room check. It's not mine.
No one searched my room, did they? Where's Mukund?
Like every year, man, yeah, he's been there. It's a honey badger. Yeah, it is. I don't get it. Yeah.
Maybe it's what that smell was all about. Burning mildew.
But if they didn't, everybody would like eat them. Yeah, cannibalism was not. I was not above it that night.
No, but see, we're on the 6th floor, so we all run down to the 2nd floor.
And then we go to the burning building. I can't find Mukund. I'm sorry.